Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 3 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to change the goals for the daily activities on this watch. Basically steps, intensity, training and floors and stuff like that. Before we start, if you want to change the goals, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on More and select Activities. And here, for example, let's select the steps. And then in the steps menu, tap on the More Options icon. And when the menu pops up, tap on Edit Goal. And here we can change the goal for our daily steps, basically. And as you can see right now, it's 8,000. Let's change it to something like, I don't know, maybe 10,000. Okay, tap on Save. Then go back. Another thing we can change is the floors. We can tap on Edit Goal and change the amount of floors. And I believe we can also change the intensity minutes. So if we tap on intensity minutes, then menu, Edit Goal, we can change the minutes themselves. Okay, and I think that's all for now. So we can tap on Home and sync our watch with our phone by tapping on this icon right here. And after the watch syncs with your phone, it should apply the changes like this. And that's how you change the daily goals on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.